2010 interface consists of 9 elements. 1. The title bar. This is the bar to the top of the Microsoft Excel window, as seen in this screen. The title bar displays the name of the current workbook. It tells you the name of the workbook which is opened, and it tells you the name of the program which is opened, which is Microsoft Excel. An Excel workbook is a file which consists of one or more sheets. For instance, this workbook which is titled Book 1 consists of 3 sheets. You can see that at the bottom of the Excel window, Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. 2. QAT or Quick Access Toolbar. Just to the far left of the title bar you have the Quick Access Toolbar, or QAT for short. This area gives you one-click access to a few often used features or commands. 3. The ribbon. Just below the Quick Access Toolbar we have the ribbon, which is the entire area enclosed in the red box as seen on the screen, stretching from left to far right. The ribbon consists of 3 main areas: tabs, groups, and commands. We have the File tab, the Home tab, the Insert tab, the Page Layout tab, the Formulas tab, the Data tab, Review and View tabs, Developer, Acrobat and Team tabs. Under each tab are specific groups and appropriate commands. For instance, just below the Home tab we have groups: the Clipboard group, the Font group, the Alignment group, the Number group, Styles, Cells, and Editing groups. Each group consists of several commands associated with each group. For instance, in the Clipboard group we have the Cut, Copy, Format Painter and Paste commands. Under the Font group we have the Bold, Italics, Underline, Fill Color, Font Color commands, as well as several other commands. And it's the same with the Alignment group, the Number group, the Styles, Cells, and Editing groups. They each have commands that are appropriate and associated with the specific group. 4. Just to the right of the title of some groups you may find a down arrow in a small box, called the Dialog Box Launcher. This button launches dialog boxes offering additional formatting options. But we will cover this in more details in later lessons. 5. Excel Window Controls. To the top right corner of the ribbon we have the Excel Window Controls, which are the buttons seen on the screen. Starting from left to right, we have the Minimize button, the Restore or Maximize button, and the Close button. 6. Workbook Window Controls. Just below the Excel Window Controls we have the Workbook Window Controls. You can use these controls to minimize, maximize, and close the current workbook window. 7. Worksheet. The large open area as seen on the screen is the worksheet. This area displays the current worksheet, and that's where you would do most of your Excel work. 8. Status bar. To the bottom of your Excel window, you have your status bar. That is the bar at the bottom of the Excel window. This area displays messages about Excel's current status, the results of certain operations, and other information. 9. To the far right of your status bar you have the 3 different views of Microsoft Excel: Normal Page View, Page Layout View, and Page Break Preview View. We will talk more on this later, though. Just to the right of these 3 views is the Zoom slider.